Alright, welcome back to this video where we're going to create an EC2 instance. We have all the prerequisites, we have our Keypair created, we have our security group created, we're going to use the default VPC, so we're good to go. So let's go to my management console. I'm still here on EC2, so click on instances. Click on that instances here. I already have one server running. I'm going to launch another one. Launch EC2 instance. So here, I'm going to call it secure website. It's just a name. Give it any name you want. I'm going to use Amazon Linux AMI. So pretty much for all the other options we have here, you can just leave them as default, but give it a name, select your AMI, which is what contains your operating system. We're going to use Linux, and this Linux is called Amazon Linux. And we can select any of these variants of that particular Amazon Linux, but we'll leave the default one is good enough. And we're going to leave at that architecture. Here, we're going to select the instance type, which is really how large or small we want this EC2 instance to be. But we're going to use the free tier. Again, remember, only go with those that are free. These other ones are not free. If you select any of these other ones, they will charge you accordingly. So make sure it says free tier eligible. And since that was the default, we'll just leave it at that. Now we're going to select the Keypair. This is the Keypair that we created earlier. Come up here and select secure website. All right. And security group. You have the option to let AWS create one for you, or you can even create one right here. But best practice, we already created our own security group. And we open up all the ports that we like. So just come here and select. Again, we call it secure, so I'm just going to search for it. There you go, secure website. And again, we're going to leave all this as default. And that's all we need to create an EC2 instance. So launch the EC2 instance. So pretty much this EC2 instance is the server that we're going to install our website. So let's view all instances. So this is the one we just created. Secure website is still pending. We just need to wait for it to be running. And while it's trying to be ready, when you select an EC2 instance here, all the details pop down here. So you see that the details, all the details, we're going to need the IP address, we're going to need or the public DNS, all the information we need on this EC2 instance right here. Security. The security group we created is here, secure website. All the ports we open, if you remember, they are all listed here. Networking, we're pretty much using the default VPC. Storage, everything is pretty much default at this point. And our EC2 instance is up and running. So we're done with this step. We have created our EC2 instance, so we're ready to work on it. So I'll see you in the next video.